All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to give you guys a quick physique update. This is me a couple days ago at about 143 pounds, maybe 144. One thing that you guys will know as you start to lean out is you will look a lot bigger than you actually are. Oh, that's just me being a jackass. You will look a lot bigger than what you actually are. Like, people all the time think I weigh like 160, 170. I'm really like in the lower 140s, like 142, 143. So keep that in mind, is as you get leaner, your muscles, like, it just gives the illusion that they're bigger. And also, I wanted to post this because I wanted to show that the anabolic diet works. I am literally eating French toast, pancakes, ice cream, sausage McGriddles, which I will be posting a video about them very soon from McDonald's. And really quick, I'm gonna post a video of my physique literally like 8 months ago or 9 months ago. I first went into college. I was on the meal plan. I was trying to bulk up, and instead of bulking the right way by adding 100 or 200 calories, I was literally eating about 8,000 calories a day. So here was my physique when I was very heavy. So here's my physique. This was literally like, I want to say about 8 months ago, maybe less, 7 months ago. And I completely transformed my body. I'll be honest, I wasn't always this heavy. But what happened is, going into my freshman year of college, around September-ish, I played baseball, and the coach told me he wanted me to gain some weight. So I did it the wrong way, like I said earlier, and I just ate everything in sight. And this photo, so I literally just got back from the gym, and if you notice my photos now pre-pump, I have veins everywhere. So I just want to show you guys that I don't have these superior genetics where I can eat whatever the hell I want and be lean and all that. Like, you guys see now, I'm very vascular, and I'm still eating French toast and pancakes and ice cream every day. Just I modify it into very low calorie versions. So again, here's a quick physique update after eating months and months of these delicious foods. So I just want to show you guys that this works. So you can put your mind to anything, and this works. And I took a ton of progress videos, like weekly videos of my transformation journey. So I'll probably be posting that video very soon. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this stuff works. So then again, this was me March 17th. This was about 3.5 months later, July 4th. I was very, very lean. And here it is. You could see these are just videos of me being a jackass, but I literally don't have any other physique videos. So yeah, that's me. I'm looking way leaner. And one thing I will say though is that I did this transformation so quick. I was 170 in that first photo. Here I'm about 135. I'm currently around 144. I'm liking my physique right now. Probably gonna stick around this. But yeah, this is my current physique. I'm looking a lot more full. If you notice about those 4th of July ones, is I definitely lost some muscle because I cut down so quickly. So that's one piece of advice if I would give you guys if you're trying to lose weight, is don't do it so quick, or else you will lose a lot of muscle. Hope you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got anything out of it, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help out college classes right now. So if you guys could get my video in the algorithm, and if you like and comment, I'll drop out of college one day.